As a tutor on Cudy, it's important to create an introduction video for your students. This video will introduce your students to your tutoring services and help them decide if tutoring is right for them. Follow these steps to upload your introduction video on Cudy. First of all, make sure you log into your Cudy account. Once you logged in, look for this button and click to see the options. Click your profile. On this page, look at this section and click Upload your video now. You can either drag your video here or just click on it. Make sure you already have your introduction video. Look for it on your folder and choose it. Click Open to see the next step. Make sure that this is the right video. Then, click Upload this video now. And that's how you upload your introduction video on Cudy. There are a lot of students who are looking for tutors to help them with their studies on Cudy. Join us as a tutor and help students to learn from anywhere and anytime. See you on Cudy!